Hello and welcome to SIBO Volatility 411. My name is Dan Deming and I'm with KKM Financial. We're looking at the VIX cash down slightly on the session, right around 23. The range today is between 22 and 24.90. We are seeing the SPX trying to fight back to unchanged. So with that, we're seeing the VIX cash down slightly off the highs of the week, which come in right around 25. Realized volatility, 10-day realized volatility up to 17%, 30-day realized volatility ticking up to 12% week over week. So slight increases there. At the money straddle on the SPX is where you're seeing a big increase, 5.5 implied vol points from last week to this week. We're seeing the at the money straddle currently priced at 19% implied levels. Looking at the roll market and the VIX futures, we're seeing that narrow today to about 70 cents currently, in about 20 cents on the session. The futures curve is flattening as well. I do want to point out, when you see the VIX cash, when we did see it get above 23, the front month future was still holding a premium to cash, as were all the back month futures. So we are still seeing a little bit of premium levels in the futures markets, even at the 23 level in the index. VVIX, measure implied volatility in the VIX options, 120. If you look over the last several months, that's really kind of the mean for the VVIX, so nothing too outside of where it has been for the last several months. Ticking up some this week, though, and so we are seeing it from a historical standpoint still elevated. Action in the options on the put side, once again today, as we're seeing very active volumes in the October, November, and December put lines, primarily on the 18 line. Seems to be the preferred strike today as far as the pricing action and the volume in the options here in the middle of the day. Looking at next week, things that could influence the vol structure, certainly unemployment numbers at the end of the week will be a big focus. So there's data throughout the week highlighted by the employment data. We also have sentiment in the market, as the market is now being challenged and breaking through some key technical levels, so that can influence the vol structure. Deficit situation and government spending will continue to probably have a slight influence, as well as the Fed. The Fed will be talking a lot next week, so keep an eye on that when you look at the vol structure.